guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you an Easter lantern swag tutorial. These are so simple to make and fun to make for each season and holiday. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this DIY, you're going to need some spring floral picks. You're going to need a lantern. I'm also going to be using some carrots, some cute bunny Easter picks. You're going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow. You're going to need some zip ties. And I'm just taking this little flocked bunny, putting it inside my lantern, and then going to surround it with some little plastic Easter eggs. Now there's lots of different ways you can decorate the inside of your lanterns too. I picked up these pretty spring picks at Walmart. They are Mainstays brand. So I picked up 2 of the blue and 2 of the pretty peach colored ones. I also picked up some of the longer picks at Dollar Tree. The cute bunny ears and Easter eggs came from Michael's. Now we're going to make a swag, so fluff your flowers as you go, placing one of the longer picks on the left and the other one on the right, overlapping the stems. Placing one of the pretty peach rose picks on the left, keeping it pinched tightly in the center. Going to place my other one on the right, overlapping the stems and hold in the center. Now the blue pick, one on the left, one on the right, overlapping the stems. Keep it nice and tight in the center. Now we have a beautiful swag. Now I want to add a few more things, so I'm adding 1 egg on the left, and then a bunny ears pick on the right, and then we're going to zip tie our little swag together. Make sure you get your zip tie nice and tight around your little swag, and then you're going to want to fluff and shape your little swag so that it has some movement to it. And here's how mine looks, and you can make this for any season or holiday. Now we're going to make a bow, so I'm letting out a tail, making a loop, keeping it pinched tightly in my left hand, going to the other side, making another loop, same size as the first loop, and I'm just going to go back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side until I get the bow the size I want, let out a tail. Now I'm going to go in with my second color, and this is 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire from Sam's Club, so I let out a tail, keeping it pinched tightly in my left hand. Now I'm going to make a loop, and I'm going to try to make the loops the same size as I did with my first color. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. There's lots of different ways to tie bows, and there's lots of different styles of bows, so I even have a bow tutorial playlist if you'd like to check that out. So once I have the bow the size I want, then I'm going to let out a tail. And then with this black and white striped ribbon, I just wanted a touch of it. So I am just going to be making a loop for the center of this bow. And my thoughts are I am going to take those carrots and thread them through the loop, trying to do something a little different and cute for Easter. If you do not want to do the loop, then just continue with the same steps, trying to make the loops the same size as you did with the first 2 colors. Once you have the bow like you want, then you're going to want to take a zip tie and wrap it around the center of your bow. Now if you have the loop, thread the zip tie through the loop, thread it through the center of the loop, then wrap it around your ribbon and zip tie your bow together, and then dovetail the ends. Take your end, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. It just kind of dresses it up, or you can cut it at a slant, and then don't forget to fluff and shape your bow, and just be patient. You will want to use ribbon with wire because the loops will stand up, the bow just holds its shape better, and it's just easier to work with. And then to attach the bow to our swag, we're going to take a piece of floral wire, but first I'm seeing if I can get my carrots to fit in that loop, and they're going to fit perfect, so you can add a little hot glue to make sure they don't move. Now I'm taking a piece of floral wire, threading it underneath that zip tie, that way I can attach my bow and carrots around my swag. This is so simple to do, so now I'm going to take my bow wires, going to the center of my swag, And I am going to wrap those wires around my swag, go to the back of my swag and give those wires a few twists and leave the wires long. So just twist the wires 2 or 3 times and leave them long. And then I am going to take those wires and go to the top of my lantern and wrap them around the handle of my lantern. And that's how I'm attaching my little lantern swag to my lantern. So here's how it looks all put together, nice and pretty. This swag would also be pretty on a taller lantern. Mine's probably about a 12-inch lantern, but I'm just taking the wires, going to the top of my lantern where that handle is, twisting the wires around that handle, and then just going to kind of fluff and shape my swag. And here's how it looks, guys. I love the bright, beautiful colors, so fun for Easter. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.